Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install Java Development Kit, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of JDK from the official website on Windows 10 machine. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to download and install the latest version of JDK. To download it, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open up your favorite web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading the latest version of Java Development Kit. Now click on this JDK download link. It will redirect you to the Java SE Development Kit downloads page. Scroll down and you can see we have here download links for JDK for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Currently its size is 159 MB. Click on this download link. Check I have reviewed and accept the license agreement, and finally click on this long green download button. And now you can see our JDK installer exe file is started downloading here. It will take some time to download, all depend on your internet connection speed. Our JDK installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Click on Show in Folder. Let me expand the window. We need to install this file. Right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java, and click on the next button. No need to change installation folder. We'll just stick to the default and press on next button. It will take some time to install. It says JDK successfully installed. Now we can click on close button. Good job. Now let's check Java is working or not. Click on Windows button, then type cmd and then click on command prompt. Now let's first check for Java version. Here type Java space -- version and press enter. And if you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Java on your Windows 10 machine. Now let's check for Java C. Type Java C space -- version and press enter. As you can see, we have the latest Java C version installed here. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.